Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Blackfoot, local and long-distance movers near me. With our help, your long-distance move becomes easier as we offer options, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. A long-distance move might be 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away from your current location. Our team will make sure you feel less stressed throughout this relocation. It's a long journey and a big job, but we know how to handle it with ease. Any Idaho moving company makes your local move simple. You might not see the benefits before you hire the right team. It might seem like it's hard to rationalize the cost for such a short move. However, if you don't hire movers, you'll have to do all the heavy lifting. Avoid the hard work with 3 men in a truck. We take everything off your shoulders to help ensure you get to your new location with more energy. Our team streamlines the moving process to save you time. If your move would take you all week to complete, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Blackfoot moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.